Hi everyone. Let's start with the second section, Ports and Services. In this section, we'll be working with ports and services, enabling and disabling unwanted services with command sysctl, gain accessing to service listing, setting up the /etc/systemd/timesyncd.conf file, and working with the ss command for available port listing on Linux. Video 1. Enabling services with sysctl. Video 2. Disabling services with sysctl. Video 3. Working with service lists. Video 4. Setting /etc/systemd/timesyncd.conf. Video 5. Security port listing with ss command. We'll be enabling service using the sysctl and systemctl. Let's take a look at what we have on our slide before moving forward. The sysctl helps to configure the kernel parameters during runtime, but systemctl helps with managing service in the Linux background, like database and management softwares. Let's get started. Boot up your CentOS and let's make use of the terminal. Type man sysctl for the manual page. The sysctl is used to configure kernel parameters at runtime. When you type sysctl on the terminal, you get the help options and the usage of sysctl. Let's type sysctl-a. This will display all values currently available. We can also view them in a more format, like sysctl-a *more. Let's list the files and important parts of the /proc dir using ls/proc. Each of this process has a directory below /proc, with the name being its process identification number. Use the systemctl to view units using systemctl list-units. This will show the numbers of active and inactive services. To view a type of service, type systemctl list-units --type service. This will show all active services. To check a service running state, use the same commands like this: systemctl list-units --type service --state running. This will show them all the services running. To check Apache service, type sudo systemctl status httpd. To enable, use sudo systemctl enable httpd. That's all for this video.